Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to set up an IP address. An IP address, Internet Protocol address, is like a unique home address for a device on a network. It helps devices find and communicate with each other. We assign IP addresses to switches and computers so they can connect to a network, share information, and work together efficiently. Without IP addresses, devices wouldn't know how to talk to each other. Now I am labeling the IP address. To assign the IP address to the PC, click on the PC, go to Desktop, and select IP configuration. Here, I assign the IP address 10.0.0.1, and the default subnet mask will be fetched automatically. There are two types of wires: straight and crossover wires. The automatic wire automatically detects the devices and assigns the correct type of wire needed. Here, I'm connecting both devices using the automatic wire. We will wait for a while as the port is currently in a down state. Once it changes to the up state, we will proceed with the IP configuration. So, the state is now up. Click on the switch and go to the CLI. By default, the switch is in user mode. Type the enable command to enter privilege mode, then type configure terminal to enter global configuration mode. Then type interface VLAN 1. Interface VLAN 1 is a virtual port on a switch used for management. It lets you assign an IP address to the switch so you can control it remotely, like through SSH or TELNET. VLAN 1 is usually the default, and configuring it helps you manage the switch more easily. We use the no shutdown command after configuring interface VLAN 1 to activate it. By default, the interface is turned off, shut down when you first create it. Assign the IP address and subnet mask. To view the changes, you can switch to enable mode by using the exit command and then type show running config. The changes, such as the assigned IP address, are now shown here. An IP address is used for communication. Now, we will enable communication between the computer and the switch. To do this, we will ping the switch's IP address. Ping is a tool used to check if two devices like a computer and a switch can communicate with each other over a network. It sends a small signal to the device's IP address and waits for a response. So, a total of 4 packets are sent in this scenario. Out of those, 3 packets were successfully sent, and 1 packet was lost. Packet loss can happen for several reasons. In this case, the one lost packet indicates a temporary issue in the network connection. Like, share, and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for new updates.